I'm working on it! Thought I lost you there!
Can't get rid of me that easy! Time for Genki to work his magic! Genki, you there?
Dude, nuts!
I know, man. But listen, we need a big water source by Wall Street.
Let me check the grid. Stay safe, dude. You too, Mr. Parker. Will do. Wait, what? He knows?
Genki knows all. Plus, we were super weird in class earlier.
You knew I never should have taught at a gifted school.
Give him today's forecast, Spider-Man.
100% chance of rain! Got him right where we want him! Guys, the water tank on the Matheson building should do the trick. We're talking 10,000 gallons here.
Got it. Thanks, Genki.
Should have stayed away, spiders.
Still think we got him right where we want him?
I admit I may have spoken too soon.
And he's definitely getting bigger.
Keep climbing! We're so close! The water tank!
Spider-Man?
I just wanted to live normal, like everyone else.
This isn't the way, Marco.
For a guy like me, there is no other way.
This is getting out of hand. Pete, what happened?
I ended up outside. Just keep going up and I'll meet you at the roof. This water tank's our only shot.
Getting out of hand! Pete! What happened?
I ended up outside! Just keep going up and I'll meet you at the roof! This water tank's our only shot!
Y'all stay put! Where are you, Pete?
Get back here.
Stay inside!
Guess he's busy. It's gonna be a long day if we don't get that water tank.
Spider-Man, get up!
Where are you, Pete?
Get back here.
Stay inside!
Guess he's busy. Gonna be a long day if we don't get that water tank. Keep it moving, Miles.
I just wanted a regular life.
You can still have one!
It's too late now.
Oh, man! Why couldn't Marco just make sandcastles instead? Ma, everything okay? I must pee.
I know. You're on every channel. I'm heading downtown to help coordinate resources and supplies. Is Genki covering for you at school?
He is. But I got this meeting with my counselor later, and the principal thinks
Listen,
that
I can talk to your principal, but New York needs you right now.
Coolest mom ever.
And please, be careful. Te quiero, mijo.
Like Ma said, can't let New York down. Now don't be too shocked. You're only making it worse for yourself, Marco!
I don't care.
Wish I could just write about this for my essay and get into any college I wanted. Or Spiderman would. Right. Brainstorm later, Miles. Focus. Did we do it?
Nope.
Pete! Break out the new toys!
The suit's last software patch wasn't stable, but here goes nothing!
The web wings? They're flying!
But we're not out of this yet! Marco's at Pier 4 Beach!
What happens if he gets all that sand?
Think he just did! Gonna need you ASAP, Miles!
Yeah, I see him all right. I'm right behind you.
Miles? Miles! What did I just get myself into? You gotta calm down, Marco! Innocent people are in danger!
You care about them, but not me. They wouldn't listen to Marco, but they can't ignore Sandman.
Miles!
One and only. Any ideas?
Yeah. Class is back in session. Marco's storm is generating a lot of electricity! What happens to the surface tension of sand if you turn up the voltage?
Bogey right. Like when I shot the minis.
A+! You absorb enough energy, I'll shoot it right at him!
You want me to get hit by lightning?
Can you handle it?
There's only one way to find out. That's right on time. How exactly are you gonna redirect a lightning bolt?
Like you said, gotta break out the toys!
Damn sand. Everywhere. Marco, it's gonna be okay.
I haven't been okay for a long time.
If you need help, all you have to do is ask.
You're the ones who are gonna need help when they come for you.
Come for us.
You grow slow in your old age, Sergei. A fate you will not share. I've been in your shadow for hours, but you sense nothing. Pathetic. I asked for an equal. And this is what you find.
Sir, perhaps a new hunting ground.
Light the fires. The great hunt begins.
The app is busted. Pete, you seeing this?
Hold on a sec, Miles. I got it. You're gonna be safe. Yeah, same here. Hey, Genki?
I know. The whole city's telecom network is down.
What's happening to the requests that are coming in?
They'll all get queued, but... Wait. I'm gonna try a workaround.
Work fast.
Right before the app went down, I saw a request for help at Liberty and Broadway.
Headed there now. What a mess!
Marco, what got into you?
Financial district following the Sandman's destructive plan. First responders are on the scene working tirelessly in their rescue efforts, providing medical aid, shelter, and supporting evacuation.
There they are. I've got you. Hold on. You okay? I am now. Thank you.
Spider-Man! Chief needs your help!
Well, one thing's for certain. We got Marco in custody, and we'll be seeking the maximum sentence.
Spider-Man, got a minute? Got a call with the precinct up ahead and the line cut out. We gotta get through to set up triage.
On it, Chief.
That did it.
Mr. Parker, I need your help to get the app back online.
What do you need?
Get to the roof of the building on Worth and Lafayette.
What's the plan?
It's gonna be hours before the telecom network's back up, so we're gonna create our own network.
That's a big job. How long have you been planning this?
Well, dreaming about it since 7th grade, but planning? For the last 2 minutes or so.
Gotta focus. People need my help.
There should be a launcher around there.
What is all this stuff?
Environmental study by a new startup. The launcher's for high-altitude weather sensors.
And this startup gave us permission?
Yes. I checked with the head guy. Super nice. Seemed excited about helping out Spiderman.
Okay, tell me what to do.
You've still got that 3D printer built into your web shooters, right? I need you to build something real quick. Just sent you the blueprints.
Got him. This looks like a drone. We don't spy on people, Genki.
Oh, no. It's all opt-in. Just New Yorkers sending messages to the app, which gets routed through these drones, which I call Focused Relay Neighborhood Data Spots.
FRND. Did I just make a friend?
You did! 7th grade me was so wholesome.
Okay, now, how do we get this thing airborne?
There's a lot of competing signal traffic, so try to follow the path I marked on your visor. It'll give us a clearer signal. Local network should be online. Let me notify the app users. Reports should start coming in any minute now. We did it!
Back in business.
There! Crime report just came in.
Back it up! Let's go! Come on. We got plenty of time. Cops are busy with all this sand stuff, so let's clear this place out. Come on, load them up!